Welcome to the change in seasons. Today is way cooler than hot and humid yesterday. Summer is coming to an end and fall is trying to take over. The clashing and colliding of the seasons is beginning. The thing is, do you think about this? You're looking forward to the change in seasons, right? Fall and the crisp, cooler temps, and oh man, when the leaves begin to change colors, nice. But why do we resist change in our own lives, even when it seems we are living in an everything going wrong world? We don't like to change things in our lives. Why?
Live a happy, freedom, life.
Doing what you love is free thinking. Loving what you do is freedom. Embrace freedom! Summer here is hot and humid. For much of August, the average normal high temperature is 92, give or take. And the humidity is pretty much the same number. When I get up in the morning around 6 o'clock, the temperature's usually 72-ish to 75-ish. And the humidity is 100%. You can feel the water in the air. So we really look forward to fall weather like today. Cooler, drier, with a nice breeze. Living in the South, one thing I really miss from way up north are the fall colors. You know, foliage season. Best time of the year. What's your favorite season? Your favorite time of the year? Let me know. Back to my original observation. Why do we look forward to the change in seasons, and at the same time, why do we resist change in our own lives? How come? Do you enjoy picking an apple right off the tree and taking that first bite, right? No kidding. Pretty good stuff. There's a saying about fall, autumn, when the leaves change colors and fall off the trees are still trees. Change outside, like the trees, is beautiful, but change inside, in here, is scary, difficult stuff. When you change, you're still you. What changes is how you see yourself and the world. What's actually changing is your perspective. Right? Why are children pretty much happy always? They are amazed with the world. They're always learning and always playing. When you stop learning and playing, you stop changing. And when you stop changing, you stop being happy, right? Be the tree, change colors, and shed your leaves. I guess I'm not much of a poet, huh? Oh well. Make up your mind to be happy, even in this crazy, everything is going wrong world. Fall, autumn, is when the growing season comes to an end. The days are noticeably shorter already. A couple months ago, when I would get up around 6 o'clock in the morning or so, it'd already be light outside. Right now, when I get up, it's still dark, and I have to turn on a light to make our pot of coffee. It's important to drink plenty of strong coffee. Do you know why? So you can do dumb things faster and with plenty of energy. All right. So anyway, fall's a time for celebration, and many farming communities have their county fairs. All that wonderful, amazing, really bad for you food. Funnel cake's my favorite. What's your favorite fair food? Let me know. Funnel cake? Something else. Embrace the change. It's inevitable anyway. Change is the only constant. So you might as well enjoy it. Life happens. I'm spitting all over the place. You have the opportunity to change. Make the most of it and be happy. Focus on living a self-sufficient, simple country life. Don't let the busy, crazy, everything is going wrong world dictate how you live your life. You get to decide how you're gonna live your life. Doing what you love is free thinking. Loving what you do is freedom. Live a happy freedom life. Freedom!